Do you suffer from expensive taste syndrome but stay on a low budget? Today I have the solution to all your problems. Pep stores. Hi guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I have a very exciting video for everyone who's always looking for things on a low budget but also likes things that looks nice, like me. So in today's video I'll be doing a Pep haul, but before we get into the video I just want to tell you guys a little bit of a story of my relationship with Pep stores. It was a love-hate relationship for a very long time, especially when I was younger in primary school, and I just did not want to be seen in a Pep stores. I know, super childish, but I would just be like, no, like in the mall, like what if my friend sees me in Pep? I would rather sit in the car, I would wait till my mommy goes in, get the things, and then we go. But then the story took a turn, and it feels like the universe just wanted to teach me a lesson. And I did modeling and I got a lot of shoots for Pep stores. How ironic. The person who didn't even want to be seen in the store was now on the posters, was now in the catalogs, and I was just like, why me? Why me? But anyway, I did it, and these are the pictures. Yeah, it was just so ironic how the girl who didn't want to be seen in Pep stores was now all over, and my parents were so proud of me. Oh, you're doing modeling, you're in here. And I hid those pictures for a very long time. But now it's years later and I'm here to give you guys a Pep haul video to show you how to get amazing room decor at a budget price. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. So the first item I want to show you guys in today's haul is this very fluffy grey pillow. It is so soft and I only paid 89 Rand for this really soft pillow. They only had one in stock, so I only got this grey one, and it's really good quality. Like, I did not expect this from Pep, but I was looking around at different places and prices for a pillow like this, and yeah, it was all through the roof, all over 150 Rand. So yeah, if you're looking for these fluffy pillows, it's really in now, and especially for girls and who's looking at room decor, this is a good pillow to get. So the second item that I have is also a pillow. I actually went to two Pep Home stores on my shopping trip, and I got this at the first one, and then I saw the nice and fluffy one at the second store, but this one was on sale and I only got it for 60 Rand. It's also really soft, but not as soft as the first one, but still a really good deal. So the third item I have today is this shopping bag, but it's more like a basket to me. It's really like a firm texture, and my plan for this basket is to use it to actually put a pot plant in. I've been seeing online that people are selling baskets for like ridiculous prices, like 250 for just a normal basket where you can put your plant in. So I saw this and it was only 45 Rand, and I thought, why not? So you can put a big pot plant in here. I'll insert a picture somewhere on the screen, and yeah, just show you how my pot plant looks in this basket. You can obviously use it for much bigger pot plants as well, and then just pop this in the corner of your room so it takes away that black or brown pot, and it looks like a nice basket. So the fourth item that I have is these cute little storage holders. It says here that it's a gardening bowl, yeah, but I'm not going to use this for plants. It's actually really nice to even keep makeup in or to organize your drawers. I'm thinking of using this in my bathroom to like put in some toiletries in the drawer just to keep it organized. But yeah, these bowls were only $12.99 each, and I'm thinking of getting more of these. There's white in these as well, there's different colors, so you guys should definitely check this out if you want to organize your vanity, organize your table, whatever. These are so cute and it looks nice as well. Another thing that you think that you don't need in your life but you really do, now that I have a bathroom in my room, I never thought that I would need a toilet cleaner. And because I want to go for this whole white theme aesthetic in my bathroom, I got this white toilet brush holder for only 18 Rand. So yeah, you might not need this for room decor, but I just wanted to add it to the haul to just show you what you can get at Pep for these low prices. Another thing that I also got at Pep was this nice diffuser. I got it in an orchid scent. There are like a few different floral scents as well, but I took this one, and it's really nice to just give your room a nice smell, and this was only 35 Rand. So another thing that I got at Pep were these microfiber face cloths, or I don't know, yeah, it's just microfiber cloths. I got another face cloth as well. It was $12.99 I think, and then these were just R8.50 for these cloths. Okay, so the next thing I'm about to show you guys is something that I was really excited for when I saw it. It is this huge mat. So the colors that I was going for was like grays, dusty pinks, beige browns, and this mat just got all the colors that I wanted. And yeah, it's really big, so I think it's really worth it for the price, and the quality is good. I know a lot of people think that if you buy Pep that you're buying things that's not quality, but this is as solid as it gets. And the price for this was only a whopping $49.99. So yeah, I'm really excited. This is one of my favorite purchases that I made at Pep, was this mat. So the next thing I got at Pep was this jar with a lid. It has this nice print on it. It's pink and white with a wooden lid. And I don't know what I'm going to use this for yet. I might use it for storing some things. If you want to use it in your kitchen, you can probably use it for sugar, coffee, tea, those things. But I just really like the pattern and the color. So yeah, I got one of these, and it was only $39.99, and it's glass. It's actual ceramic glass, and this is wood. And it has like this rubber seal, so if you want to put things in here to keep it fresh, you can definitely still do that. Next up on the list is this glass jar. My original plan with this jar was to use it to put my makeup brushes in, because if you have an open container, it gets really dusty. So I thought if I put it in here, I could seal it again, but it's too short. So I'm probably just gonna put this in the kitchen and then just use it for whatever. But yeah, that was my original idea. I'm still on the search for something to keep my makeup brushes in, but until then I'll keep looking. But this jar, solid glass and a rubber seal, all that for only $22.99, 23 Rand for this glass jar. Okay, and then the last thing on my Pep home haul is this bath mat. It's microfiber as well. It is super soft, and I'm just gonna use it for when I get out the shower, so that you don't like step on cold ground, because I mean it is winter. And this mat was only $59.99. So yeah, it is a really good investment to make. There was white as well. I was really considering the white, but then I just wasn't prepared for it to get dirty, and no. So I took the gray, and it's really soft, and I'm excited to use this mat. There you have it, guys. That is the end of my Pep home haul video. 14 items in total with one cloth missing. But yeah, that is all the items I got. The total of my entire shopping trip came to 476 Rand for all these items, and it's really going to be a good addition to my room. If you did enjoy this video and if it was helpful, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below and turn on the bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload. Today's video was inspired by my friend Nadine Naturally, who also did a Pep home haul, which inspired me to then redecorate my room and also get these few things from Pep. You can find her Pep haul video in the link down below. Please comment down below what your favorite item of this haul was. For me, it's between this mat over here and this fluffy pillow that I'm so excited to use. But yeah, comment down below what item you really loved of this haul, and I'm really excited that I could help you guys see that Pep is not that bad after all. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye.